So let's get ourselves a little clip here to be able to render. Let's bring that over here. Unmute these. Make sure everything's cleaned up. Looks alright. Might be a little laggy, but you want to highlight this. So what you're going to do, you're going to hold this right here and bring this over top, making sure it's in blue, and you can click off of this, and as long as these little yellow notches up here are within it, that means it's selected for rendering. You can then move these in or out, either one, to be able to select more or less. So once you have this all selected, you have all your audio done, you have everything done, come up to here, click File, click Render As, and it will bring up this entire menu. So I'm not sure which one you'll be selected on. You might be on one of the ones down here, but for rendering in 1080p to upload to YouTube or whatever, you're going to click on Magix AVC/AAC MP4. This will bring you to this menu, and what you're going to want to do is you want to click on, let's see, one of the internet 1080p ones, and it's got to say NVIDIA, or if you have an NVIDIA graphics card, make sure to click the NVIDIA one. For Ryzen, the same thing. And then you're going to click on that one, and then you're going to click Customize Template. And I recommend creating a custom template, which is what I made. So I'm going to go into my custom template so I can show you the best settings. But you're just going to go into one of them and name it. That will save it, and then you can click Save up here once you're done. So make sure the frame size is 1920 by 1080. Make sure the profile is made. Make sure the frame rate is whatever you'd like it to be for YouTube, and just anything in general. It's usually 60, so f59.940. It's usually the normal one. Pixel aspect ratio, it's got to be 1.0. Field order, non-progressive scan. And then down here, you're going to have 40 million and 20 million. And then you're going to be using whatever encoder is best for your computers. I have the NVIDIA encoder. Preset default, RC mode, VBR. And then in audio, I have 48,000 and 192,000. System, copy these numbers right here, 65535 on both of them. You don't have those. Use project settings for both of these. That just means whatever preset you had when you first created the project, it will use those settings. So once you have these made, we'll click OK, and then we can go and render the video. But first, you're going to click on this, and you want to make sure the right photo folder is suggested. And you can click Browse right here to go onto your desktop and click the right folder. So for me, I just have documents selected. Now you can select this, delete that, and you can now name it whatever you'd like. So I will name it Test Video. Once you have all that done, make sure your preset is selected. Once everything's like that, you can click Render, and it will usually take a decent amount of time depending on how long the video is. For me, just took that amount of time I sent that sentence. So you can click Open Folder once you're done, and now I can bring up the test video on my screen. Perfect. Completely rendered out.